8th State-Level Hun-Thadou Cultural Festival 2026 stated that the festival will be held on April 7 in Imphal under the aegis of Thadou Inpi Manipur (TIM). It clarified that it has no connection with any activities planned by groups operating under the self-styled name Thadou Inpi GHQ in Gangpokpi district. In a press release issued, the committee stated that such activities are entirely separate from the official festival. It also highlighted that TIM has consistently worked to preserve the legacy of the festival by organizing earlier editions at Ngamun in Gangpokpi in 2016, New Delhi in 2024 and Guwahati in 2025, with the latter two held outside Manipur due to the ongoing crisis in the state. The committee further stated that the 8 editions returned to Imphal as part of peace initiative and invited Thadou individuals, families and organizations to observe the festival wherever they reside as an expression of cultural pride and unity. Emphasizing that the festival is purely cultural and a political event celebrating Thadou identity, customs, traditions, language, songs and dances, the committee also urged government of Manipur not to recognize any proxy body such as TIGHQ in connection with the festival and appealed to Thadou community to preserve its sanctity and support the official celebration led by TIM as a symbol of unity, peace and communal harmony.